Hey Georgetown, I'm Zoe and I'm a freshman here in the School of Health studying global health, and today I want to talk about all the amazing clubs we have here on campus. Okay, so to get started, I want to tell you guys a little bit about my personal club experience at Georgetown. So coming in as a freshman in the fall semester, I kind of knew I didn't really want to get involved in clubs yet because I wanted to give myself time to kind of settle into university life, find my friends, figure out how to manage the Georgetown course load, and I'm very glad I made that decision because I feel 100% settled into Georgetown now without having had that extra stress of clubs on top of it. But that's just a decision I made personally. A lot of other people did apply to clubs and were very successful in applying to them or got involved in open access clubs and are active members of them now. Okay, so I just said two important things there, and that was open access clubs versus applied clubs, and there is a difference on our campus. So the first ones we have are open access, which means that you can join at any time throughout the semester. So this would be a lot of the clubs that are in the Center for Social Justice, so CSJ clubs, and those clubs are focused on volunteering, giving back to the community, promoting equity within the DC area or internationally. And then there's also applied clubs, which means that you submit a written application and then you're invited back for an interview process and you can go through that to get into the club. So clubs like these would be more career-focused clubs, for example, the consulting clubs or finance clubs. How do you hear about these clubs on campus? How do you get involved? That's what I want to talk about now. Personally, what I did is I went to Cab Fair, which is an event held at the beginning of every semester where the clubs come and table. So a few of their current members will come, they'll have information panels, or you can just ask them about their experience with the club. You can sign up for their email list, and that's how you hear about new clubs. It's really great because they have sections for the sports clubs, they have sections for the CSJ clubs, they have sections for the cultural clubs, and it's really interesting to go around and see everything that Georgetown has to offer. If you happen to miss Cab Fair, don't worry too much. There are so many other ways to hear about the clubs we have on campus. I've heard about clubs through my friends and peers who are already in them. Also from the older kids who are in them and have experience with clubs, it's really great to talk to them to get advice throughout the semester. You can also hear about clubs through social media. A lot of our clubs have very active social medias, and it's cool to see what they post to keep up with what they're doing. And also, if you're interested in joining, they can post like info sessions or how to apply. Now I want to talk about the clubs that I'm in and why I was so excited to join them. So the first one that I'm in is called Hoya, and it's a data analytics and consulting organization on campus. I initially did not even know about this club when I got to campus. I heard about it because one of my friends was going to their info session and dragged me along with her. I was very nervous about going because I was like, I don't know anything about data analytics. Like, I don't think this is the club for me. But after going to a few of the info sessions, I was like, wait, this could be very interesting. And that's what I love about Georgetown. It's kind of like you fall into these things that maybe you hadn't even thought about before, but your friends bring you there, coincidence brings you there, and you end up being very interested. And I'm really glad that I decided to pursue this club because now I get to learn about how data is used not only within our projects that we do within the club, but also in the real world. Another club I'm in is called Hilltop Consultants, and I absolutely love this club. I originally heard about it at Cab Fair, and I joined the email list so I could stay in touch with them until I was ready to apply in the spring semester, and I'm so happy I did because the work that we do is so rewarding. We work with nonprofits and socially minded enterprises to help drive their mission forward, and it's so exciting to be able to work on a team with my peers who are very driven and actually do meaningful work in the world. Another reason that I love this club is because it helps me towards my career goals. I think I'm interested in going into consulting, and it's very cool to be able to do the work as an undergraduate in this club that real consultants do in the real world. The last club I'm in is Blue and Gray, which is our tour guide society. So you might see me out there giving tours. I really love this club because of the people, genuinely the most friendly, talkative people there on campus. It's so fun to be in a community like that. Also, it's really fun to be able to give tours and show off my school. I'm very passionate about Georgetown, and so it's very cool to know all the facts about campus while giving tours. Okay, enough about me. I want you guys to hear from my peers on campus, what clubs they're in, how they heard about them, and why they love them.
Hi, my name is Tristan. I'm a first-year student in the School of Health studying human science. I'm a part of a boxing club here on campus, and I actually heard about this at the club fair in the fall. I feel like it's a great way to stay physically active, and it's also a great way to de-stress from all the tough classes you're part of throughout the year. So, go boxing.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm from Chicago, and I'm currently a freshman in the college studying econ and stats. A club I want to talk about is HMFI, also known as Hotel Microfinance Initiative. And I really like this club because I heard about it from my friend, I checked it out, and I realized that it was very empowering. A lot of people in the DC area, especially in like the different wards that are outside of Georgetown, are denied basic access to like loans, for example, because of like past credit score issues or other circumstances. But we see that people aren't just their credit score, and various things might have happened since they had those like situations. So we give out loans to quote unquote riskier clients to help them get a second chance at building their small businesses or their endeavors. And I think it's a very like just and noble cause.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm a freshman in the college studying economics, and one club I'm a part of here at Georgetown is Georgetown's Alumni and Student Federal Credit Union, also known as GOFSCU. And I found out about GOFSCU on social media. They have an Instagram account, so I started following that. And the reason I wanted to join was because of the amazing community, and their mission is to prioritize people over profits, so that made me very excited to join.
As you can see, our student body is very diverse and involved in such different clubs. It's really exciting to hear from everyone and their personal experiences here on campus. So thanks for watching Georgetown, and I hope this was helpful.